Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Ko Shirahana. Code NSFS 124. Released on September 27, 2022. And it has 139 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her husband boss. The guy had a huge mistake leading for the company to lose a lot of investment. One day, the boss saw the picture of his wife, so the boss had an idea. The next day, while her husband was at work, the boss went to the girl house and talked about her husband's working ability. So in order for her husband not to get expelled from the company, the girl needs to satisfy her husband boss. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.